Yeah, I would like to mention three axes. The first axis is the focus to the customer, and what I mean the customer is the traveler. The traveler could be business or could be leisure, but the big focus on how we make better experience for the travelers. I think that's the most important thing, in a personalized way, and very important for the people who is in the chain, that they have the information in order to have the CRM and to better perform the personalization of the offering. That's the first thing. The second thing I would say is the travel agent, or the people who is in front of the customer. In front of the customer, it could be an airline, it could be a travel agency, it could be many people. But what is very important is the professionalization of the people. We are in a very we have very good human capital with very good studies, and now there is more university people in all the chain, so that will help in order to provide better service to the traveler. The third thing, what I see is very important, is the connection between the entities and the traveler. We have things like the blockchain, which could be a huge opportunity for our industry, for the travel and tourism industry. But it's not only the connection between the robotics or artificial intelligence. I think this needs to be done in a very intelligent manner, so we can reach the customer in different ways. It could be a WhatsApp, it could be an email, it could be a phone call, it could be a face-to-face, but we need to get the maximum of the different channels for different people, because all of us are different. And finally, the key in order to have those two things together is two things. One is the technology, and the other one is the human factor. We need to use the technology to be efficient, which is very important, and we used to do the technology to minimize the mistakes, the errors, etc. But the component of the human factor is key for that personalization and to provide that emotional experience to the customer.